If you just swap lithium batteries into your RV and you're not getting the performance you expected, you likely didn't know about two pivotal things that are going to make or break this system. Let's get into it and show you how to correct it. It's easier than you think. A lot of people like to overcomplicate this process, but when you're switching to lithium batteries from standard lead acid batteries, there's only two main things that you need to concern yourself with. Those two things are charging sources and monitoring the battery itself. So when we're talking about monitoring the battery itself, traditionally in RVs, we have a panel inside the RV that has those idiot lights. You push the button and it shows if you have 1/3, 2/3, or all the way full. Maybe it does it in quarter increments, whatever it is, right? Those are based solely on the voltage of the battery. Lead acid batteries have a voltage curve. As they get lower in state of charge, that voltage starts to drop off. A fully charged battery might be somewhere around 13 volts when it's resting. And conversely, when it's drained down, you can get down to 11 and a half volts. Not too great for the battery, but we do see that when we're camping, right? So that is easier to detect with something very simple like a few LEDs that's going to tell you in the range where you're at. Lithium is not the same. Lithium voltage curves are very flat until they get down to about 15% and they drop off hard down to nothing. They cut themselves off and turn off completely. So what we need to know about monitoring lithium batteries is there's two ways to do that. On the market now, there's a lot of batteries that are Bluetooth capable. They have an app that goes with them. They emit a Bluetooth signal and they have all of that stuff in the app. If it's Bluetooth, great. You don't need to buy this next component that we're talking about. However, if you have a standard lithium battery that is not Bluetooth capable, you are going to need what's called a shunt. A shunt battery monitor is a very simple device. It monitors all of the power from the battery post to the loads. So anything going in or out of the battery is measured to know exactly how much power is either being pulled into the battery from a charging source or discharged out of the battery to a load like your water pump, your inverter, or anything else that you're using. That is the only way to accurately measure the state of charge for a lithium battery because of that voltage curve is so flat.